Welcome to the Whole School platform from Bridge the Gap Child Mental Health CIC. We're a community interest company based in Derby, and we're passionate about supporting children's mental health as well as family well-being. We are a preventative and proactive service, and although we do work in a one-to-one capacity, Bridge the Gap comes from a passion for emotional education and emotional literacy, which is why this Whole School platform has been created, to give you, the school, the tools that you need to deliver a safe, evidence-based emotional education curriculum, as well as helping to bridge the gap between school and parents by giving them access to some much needed support for themselves as well. This video will not take you long. We know you're busy people, but it's a really good introduction to the platform and how to use it. But please don't hesitate to get in touch with any questions you might have. You can email Richard Wyman, who is our school liaison officer. So once you've created your account on Thinkific, which you will need to do using your school email account, you'll be taken to a landing page for the Whole School platform, which looks a bit like this on screen. And here you will find all of your courses that you are enrolled onto. So there are lessons and schemes of work for primary and secondary school children. Just simply select the ones that you feel are most suitable for your young people. And if you're not sure, just like I say, get in touch and we'll try and support you in finding the right scheme of work for the children that you're working with. In addition, you will find something called Time for You, which is Wellbeing for Adults. This is a lovely session that has been developed by Nikki Webster, who is our ACT therapist at Bridge the Gap. It's full of guided journaling, some support for sleep, and it's just a beautiful session to help you to feel supported with your well-being. We all need a reset sometimes, and I know for me, this session has been invaluable at times and really given me that space. That is just what it says, some time for myself. We suggest starting by watching the short teacher introduction video. This will give you an idea of what to expect from the course materials that are available to you. And you can then browse through the various activities and topics at your leisure. You don't need to complete them in order. However, there can be some real benefits to working through specific topics in a particular way. For example, if you're going to be exploring anxiety, it can be very helpful to first complete the wellbeing lessons and scheme of works around worry first. Once you have selected the area you wish to explore further with your class, or maybe you're delivering a small group intervention in school, you will find a drop-down menu where you will find an introduction, and that can sometimes be through video, or it can be sometimes be through text, or sometimes even a PDF. It has teacher notes, handouts and activities. Please do read that because it's got some really important information around language, around things to watch for with the children that you're supporting that might mean that we need to action something further. Again, use these as you feel appropriate for the children you are working with. You know them, you're in the classroom with them, we're not. But again, if you're unsure about what a child might need, please do get in touch and we will do everything we can to support you with that. Alongside the Whole School platform for staff, you will also have access to this parent bundle for schools. This means that parents have also got access to some of the content that you have access to. Now, they don't have access to the wellbeing lessons and the schemes of work, but they do have access to some really important resources. And that is Supporting Child Mental Health, which is an in-depth approach course which really does cover so many different areas around emotional development, emotional literacy, and supporting children who are struggling. Things like how to create a safe emotional space and understanding why there is a current mental health crisis for children. It's a really fantastic course, and you have access to this as well as teachers, so this can help you at home if you yourself are parents as well. They also get access to Supporting an Anxious Child. Now, this is a course that is specifically around anxiety. So if you feel that parents might be put off by an in-depth approach, then actually this course just covers anxiety and it focuses on all of those different areas. Sole focus is anxiety. They also get access to 4 sessions on exploring anger. So these sessions are pre-recorded parent and child webinars. So they would sit and watch them with their child, complete the activities together, and hopefully feel really empowered in knowing how to have those conversations around anger, which is something we see a lot, especially for children who are anxious as well. So really great value that you are adding to your parents and really helping, like we say, bridge that gap between home and school. We're not faceless. You can pick up the phone, you can speak with us, you have got that liaison contact. And it's really important you feel confident that you can get in touch and use that, because it's a huge benefit from choosing a Bridge the Gap platform. This information is really vital in helping to achieve long-term positive outcomes. It can help to reduce classroom disruption, it can help to improve attendance, and most importantly, it can help to give you confidence in knowing that what you're delivering in terms of an emotional education curriculum is evidence-based and it is developed by professionals to ensure that we are providing you with the best evidence-based resources to help you in your school create a much better positive outcome for every child. If you'd like any more information on what we can offer outside of this online platform, please visit our website, email Richard, or give us a call. Please remember that you matter too. You are very loved as teachers and you are not alone.